talking to the killer boss. The killer boss of death. As you see, there's a little racer guy on top of this boat on dirt. Just like this other guy. And this is how he goes. Ta-da! He has the same body as his helmet. How goes that? Oh, now he's on rocks. Okay, you get to choose, Mr. Parisa. That's what I call a baser. So here's a big ship. Ahoy, lad! Oh no, that's just another boat. Oh yeah! I haven't seen this for a while. Oh, I put that back together. It was like destroyed as a nearly itself. That's what I call business. This tower like nearly got down there. It like almost sank, but it got saved and put back together. The guys on there, okay? Oh no! That isn't fine at all. The boat was now destroyed. Oh no, that's bad. Is that better, folks? Oh, thank you, Daddy. Thank you, camera guy. That's really helpful.
You're welcome.
Baba, baka. Found a fishy. Found a crab. Thank you. This ate the fishy. Fishy dead. I really like this guy a lot. He has a matching helmet. Oh, wait a second. That's not right. Let me move his head. That's not how it's supposed to go. I'm going to off that head and put that head on that. And put that head and there. Changed heads. How cool is that? Boom. And put that head that was on that guy on the other guy that had that head is on him. And now it's on this guy. Pooda. This is not working. There. I caught the fishy. Uh-oh. I am drifting off to sea without my suit. Help. Help. Somebody help me. And I'm not wearing my helmet. Help. Help. Somebody help me. The guy that's got eaten. Not the fishy. The fishy got let go to water, more deeper water where it's safe. But the racer guy got eaten. Pah! Fishy go back in there. Dirt guy go back there. And Batman to the rescue. Yeah. Batman to the rescue. Done the video.